Hi everyone, I haven't talked to you in a while. I'm the founder of band. Anyways, just spending a fortune suing a dozen different people, violating our trademark. Now I just left the attorney with a big bill.
Necessary evil.
Anyways, it's part of the deal, but it's a very well-known, desirable brand, and people want to use it for free. They like it very much, but they can't use it for free. That's the way it is, right? Now I'm heading to the Upholstery body shop to check out on the VW bus that I have. This project, they've been doing some body work. I'm curious to see how far they got on the VW bus panel, the 71. So we're gonna go see Javier here in San Bernardino. By the way, San Bernardino, in spite of what people say about the crime and everything else, but there's a good community there. You just have to watch what time you go and where you go in San Bernardino. But there's good car specialists and professionals in that area. Band is a long-established skateboard brand in Southern California. Band's been around since '93. The name is well known and a very catchy name. With that, you find people trying to take advantage and abuse our legal rights. We appreciate that people like the name and want to use it, but there's a right way to do it and there's the wrong way to do it. It's part of doing business. I appreciate everyone supporting Band and Band.com and the work that we do with May Order. We're very passionate about skateboards, and everyone at the shop also, they're very, very passionate. So it's common here in San Bernardino. There's a Home Depot, and there's a lot of folks that hang around looking for work. It's pretty cool. They just hang around outside Home Depot, and if you need help for the day, you can hire them for the day. So that's a cool thing you find in San Bernardino here. We're arriving here at Javier and trying to make, would I go? Nope, missed it. But that's the upholstery place that we use. We've been using for years for different cars. They do good work. They take a while, but they do excellent work. And it's called Evans Upholstery, but the owner is called Javier. So go figure, maybe the previous owner. We're here on the corner of Baseline and Sierra. So this is hardcore. There's a liquor spot right there. Some action. Some dubious characters right there, but you'll find interesting cars. There's like some parking lots and some unique cars. You always find random stuff in San Bernardino. And here we are. How you doing? Javier should be here? Cool, cool. Javier here? Javier. Javier, ¿dónde andas? VW bus is right there. What's going on over here? In here. Look at that. This is an upholstery store. There's remnants of every kind. You can find any rare vinyl or leather here. I've used it many times. So look at that. This is burgundy, reddish. Looks like a BMW burgundy leather here. Look at that, very cool. I'm here with Javier. This is the founder here of Evans Upholstery, the main guy. So let's check out the bus. Let's check out the VW bus. It's ready, baby. I was in Brazil, Javier. My mom passed away. I was really sad. I just came back. Thanks for... No worries. It's a Lincoln Continental here, folks. It's not for the entourage. The show Entourage had the... Cool. Wow, look at that. Perfect.
Seats, the headliner.
Wow. New headliner, new seats. I love it, Javier. It looks great. This is so cool. I like it. I like it. Nice. Well, the baby's been sitting here for a while. Now we gotta get on the road. Body work done. They fixed the bottom one too. There was a dent, they fixed it. Very nice. I have a project on the Mercedes, the seat.
Yeah.
I think, but you know what I'm saying?
Yes.
On the side, it's kind of squished.
Yeah, we can fix it.
Really? Thanks, okay. But you see right here,
Yeah, we can put a new piece of foam right there and remove
just
it.
like that?
Yeah, remove it and put new foam right there because the foam is kind of beat up.
Beat up.
Yeah.
And you want to affect the electrical heating and there's all the electrical inside.
No, everything will be alright.
It'll be working. Oh, cool. So I need to leave it here probably, right? Because it's
Yeah, at least 2 hours because we have to pull out the seat.
okay.
Yeah. Any day, just bring him in and leave it here for 2 hours. And let me know when you want to come and pick up that one so I can wash it for you.
Okay.
I can clean it.
I'll come back Monday or so. Monday if you want.
Okay.
Tuesday. Cool. Thanks, Javier.
Okay. Thank you.
All right. And basically, it goes with the turf. So we're just gonna have to fix the booster seat and bring it back to original, and go from there. But that was it. It was a visit to Javier Evans Upholstery. He's a great guy, and I'm trying to also mend his relationship with his son. I know his son, and sometimes father and sons, they have issues, and I know both of them. I'm trying to bring them close together again, and they're both good people. But sometimes as parents, we have to let the past stay in the past. As we need to grow young and not grow cold. Those are the wise words of Tom Petty. That was part of my project, to always touch bases. And well, I'll talk to you guys later. Let's get to the next project. We're gonna be back here Monday to pick up the VW bus and see if it's gonna drive back. Got the ignition problem, need to change the ignition. We'll deal with that on Monday, next visit. Well, I'll see you guys later. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.